Boogie!
Hey. Cheat. Yeah, I didn't want because like I cannot do anything with her now.
Put in the bag.
I cannot do anything with her now.
Put in the bag. So fast.
Where is it? Yeah. There's a bag. The problem is I cannot.
Here, there's a bag.
I cannot take her here.
It's not speed, this one.
In our garage, I tried to film her, but she then tried to escape, and I had to catch her. So let's go into the bag. Yes, sorry. The situation unfortunately escalated after we tried to film the snake when she was laying there. She went on the move, and yeah, now she's in the bag, and the snake hunters they will come and pick her up. There was a little injury she got because when she was kind of moving towards my wife, she hit her on the head with the broomstick. Usually we don't have so many venomous snakes here. We can see the golden tree snake many times, but cobras are not so usual. But in Thailand, you know, everything is possible. So thanks for watching this short dramatic video. I'll see you next time.